friends, welcome back to the channel Ruchi's Teaching. This is Ruchi here. In this video I would like to explain on data review and view. Actually, till formulas I have explained this separately. In this video I have clubbed data review and view because in these three menus not that much options are not that much important. So whatever important option is there, I'm explaining that. So that's why I have planned to club these three menu tabs. Okay, if you are new to the channel or the video, please subscribe this channel. This channel is of purely computer education channel, and if you want to know the knowledge of the computers, you can go through this. If you like this, please subscribe the channel, and if you still want any topics to be explained in these videos, please say it in comment section or comment there, so that I will try to reply to it after watching the video. If you like it, just give a like, share and subscribe. Okay, before entering into the video, just I want to discuss about the previous videos. Like, I have completed formulas I have done all the things of the formulas in small videos, and I have kept. So but in this video I'm clubbing data review and view. I want to complete it off, and in this data review and view, not much important topics are there. So one or two topics are very important. Those things I'm going to explain it now. Now in front of you one screen is there. I'm using autofill series data here. For the explanation I'm using this. So here can you see, I have clicked on data. Get external data is nothing but it is not highlighted because now it's not used. You can get the data from the access. Can you see here, from access, from web, from text, from other sources? So you can get the data from these things. And existing connections. What are existing connections? Suppose if you have any other connections, like other network connections, I'll read that. Connect to an external data source by selecting from a list of commonly used sources. So by this you might have understood. Connect to an external data, that means you are connecting to the another data. Refresh all. When you go for a refresh all, everything will be updated or everything will be erased, and it will the new thing will be coming. Connections. In these connections, connections display all data connections for the what all connections are there for this particular workbook, it will be displaying. And here only this sort is very important and filter is very important. I am going to explain only sort and filter here. Data validation is nothing but how much it will validate the data. How? Suppose if you are typing some invalid data in any cell, it will show through comments. In the form of comments it will show. Okay. Next, consolidate is it will combine the multiple values from different range of the cells. Okay. And what if analysis is try out various values for the formulas in the sheets. Various values in the sense, you have to use the formulas in the given worksheet. Show details and hide. If you want to show it, you will have to click here. If you don't want to show, click on hide. And here I will be using all these things. Right. Now first of all I will select the say I'm selecting this data, and I'll go with this field sort. What it will do, it will try to sort the data in according to your things. So what it is saying, it is asking in the form of, because I have selected from C column, so in the from C column it is taking, I will say C, and from smallest to largest let it be like that only. In C whatever is there, in C column whatever is there, it will take the values and it will sort in the smallest to largest, that is ascending order. Okay. Okay, now can you see what happened? The numbers have names of that particular things have come down. Why? Because I have done from smallest to largest. That's why it is taking. That's why it is taking this type of range. Now I'll go back and I will set back to the thing. Now here, and I will go to sort. So first of all, let me select the only names. Okay. Okay. I'll go with sort. Now what it is asking here, it is taking in the form of columns. Okay. Okay, right. So first of all, go to sort. Okay, in this way, easy. It is asking from A to Z. Say okay. Let's see what happens. All sort criteria must have a column or row specified. Check the selected sort criteria and try again. So you have not selected correct data is saying. So what you want is you have to go with the names of the things. Here I have to select the column. That means it will take only that particular column. D column it is taking. D column is nothing is there in that. That's why it's not giving. Now let's go with the filter. See why filter, when I clicked on filter, this filter it is showing some arrows. So when it will show everything. Suppose if you don't want to show some numbers or some data or some records, then give a click on it. Whichever you don't want, just remove it automatically. It will say 1 2 3 I have removed. I will say okay. See 3 till 3 it is not showing, it is showing from 4. So like this you can filter for everything, not only one column, you can go with the other columns also. Okay, so like this on the in this only date in this data tab only, this is very important. Now we'll move to the review tab. Now in review tab also everything is like in word, how I have explained everything in the word. Spelling and grammar or whatever it is, whichever spelling you want, you can go with that. You can check research thesaurus, everything I have explained in word, all are same. Translating the language also same. Comment also I've explained there. New previous one, next comments, show all comments, everything I've explained. Here I will explain a workbook, how to protect the workbook I will explain. Even tracking changes also same like word. So I will be going with the how to protect the workbook. See, sharing with the track changes. Passwords may only be added if the work is unshared at the time of the protection. Now, what it is saying, you cannot give the password because I am protecting, I am sharing the sheets. So for this, how you have to go is, you should to protect the workbook or protect the worksheet, you have to go to the file and go with the protect workbook. Now if I give a password to it, see what happens. Restrict permission by people. Okay, restrict. I have clicked on restrict. So what it is saying, it is asking you to it should not be said when you give a permission, like you're protecting that workbook, it will not share with the anything is feature without credentials. So okay, I'm not using it. Again we'll go with the view. Okay, sorry, review, we are in review. Okay, in view. Now here you can protect share the workbook and protect it with a password at the same time. That means you can protect it and as well as you can share it. Okay. Now if you go with the view, here also everything is same like Word, page layout, page break review, custom views, all these things. Full screen, if you want to go with full screen, you can give a click on it. Grid lines, if you don't want these lines, if you remove that, all the lines will go off. Okay, if you don't want the formula bar, if you click there, give a check, click there. If you keep it blank, a formula bar will go off like that. In the same way with the headings, so zoom means if you want to increase the thing, you can go with the click on a zoom. What to say, data, if you want to increase the size of the data like that, then you can go with the zoom in the sense you can increase the visibility. Okay, new window, if you want to clear everything, all these things are explained in Word. Everything is same like that only. In new window, in the sense if you want to create new windows to the side of this one, you can create free spans are nothing but a portion of one sheet is kept and another portion of another sheet is kept in on the same screen, and splitting the this particular interface. And if you want to hide that, you can hide also. And yes, save workspace, switch windows. That means if you want to switch to one window to another window, you can go with this. Macros also I have explained there. So with this I have completed MS Excel also. So my next upcoming video will be the PowerPoint, introduction to the PowerPoint. Okay, then if you liked this video, friends, please give a like to it, share it. Still, if you are not clearly have a under, if you have not understood anything else in the data review and view, please let me know through comment section. I will try to explain it in any form, like in through a video form or any message like that. So please follow me in the Instagram. And if you have not still subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Okay, then bye friends.